Hey foodies, welcome to Amar'skitchen. Today we are making very interesting dish and that is Masoor Dal Biryani. It goes very well with mint flavored yogurt or any kind of raita. So let's get started with our very favorite Masoor Dal Biryani. If you are new on my channel, then please like my videos and subscribe my channel. First we will be boiling our dal. So here I have taken 1 cup dal and washed it with the clean water. And now I'm gonna boil it in the water with some salt. I will boil my dal till it is 90% cooked and should not lose its shape. We'll cover it and we'll boil it for almost 15 to 20 minutes till it is 90 to 95% cooked. And once it is cooked, we'll strain it and keep it aside. And now in another pan, I'll boil some water for the rice. And I'm gonna add in it 2 bay leaves, 3 black cardamom, 3 to 4 green cardamom, 2 tablespoons Shahi jeera, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon oil. We'll boil this water and then we will add our washed and soaked rice in it. And we will cook our rice till again they are 90% cooked. Make sure your rice should not be overcooked while boiling. Once they are 90% cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Now in a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons oil. Once your oil is hot enough, I will add whole black pepper, 8 to 10, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 3 to 4 cloves, and 8 to 9 chopped garlic. And now I'll be adding 1 medium-sized chopped onion, we'll fry it till onion will changes its color. After that, I'll add 1 teaspoon ginger powder. If you don't have ginger powder, you can use whole ginger also. Here I'll be adding again 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon stick powder. You can use 2 small cinnamon sticks also if you don't have powder. After that, I will be adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes and fry it. Now I'm gonna add all my spices. 1 tablespoon kasturi methi leaves dried, 1 teaspoon haldi powder, which is turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. You can use any biryani masala of your choice. If you don't have, you can skip masala, biryani masala also. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Mix it very well and cover this till your oil separates. Once oil separates, your masala is ready. Now for the layering, add your boiled and strained dal, flatten it, and then add your rice over your dal. Once dal and rice are added in the pan. Sprinkle some food color. Add 3/4 cup of chopped coriander and mint leaves. Few drops of kewra water for the fragrance. 1/4 cup of milk added with saffron. And now garnish it with lemon and green chilies. And cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame. For first 5 minutes on low flame and then turn off your gas and let it sit for 5 minutes. After whole 10 minutes, your biryani is ready. And enjoy it with mint flavored yogurt, and I can guarantee you your family is going to love this biryani. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook under the name amar'skitchen. Please check out the link in description box. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.